everyone, it's me, your social bae. My name is Jyoti and welcome back to my channel. I've been getting few requests recently on how to create seamless carousel in Canva. So today in this video, I'll share with you my process, how I create carousels for my Instagram, and also at the end I will show you how to upload that carousel on Instagram. So it's going to be a value-packed video, especially for beginners. Now without much talking, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the custom dimension 1080 by 1350. Now press R on your keyboard to bring up a rectangle. Then bring it at the bottom and adjust its length. Keep pressing Alt and then just cover the bottom part. And let me just quickly add my brand name on top of that. Then let's go to elements and search for fading. Take the first element, rotate it to 90°, enlarge it to cover the bottom part of the artboard, and then let's just change its color to our brand colors. Perfect. Now just position it to back and then just lock it. Now in the elements tab, search for square. I'll take this one. Bring it to the top left, enlarge it to cover the artboard. Perfect. Now position it, go to position and position it to the center and middle. Now go to file and you will have this option over here, enable this show rulers and guides. When you take your cursor over this ruler, you will have a bi-directional arrow. Just drag a line from there, that is called as guide. Place the guide over the horizontal edges of the square, and once you are done positioning it, just remove the square. So now you have your safe area over here, which will be visible on your Instagram feed. So the important elements in your design, the important text, that is the title of the design, should be inside this safe area, right? Now let me quickly add my text over here. Now time to add our image. I'll search for 3D forbidden sign and we'll go with this one. Now adjust its position and size and Just keep its position in such a way that a majority of its portion appears on the first slide, and some portion of it will appear on the second slide, because we have to give that transition effect between the slides. Then I'll go to edit image, shadows, and will choose glow option. Will select my brand color and change some settings over here. Then just apply. Perfect. Now we'll have our second slide where we have to get the transition effect from the first slide to second slide. So what I'll do is just duplicate this first page and press shift, keep pressing shift and select these two text elements, delete it. Then take this image over here, crop it till the edge and then position it to left. Now I'll take this rectangle over here, will crop it this way and then search for triangle in the elements. Just take this one, rotate it and place it over here. Perfect. Now let's quickly add some text over here for our second slide. I already have my text prepared, so I'll just copy paste from there and adjust its position. Okay, now I have to add another element over here. I'll search for a girl sitting with a laptop. In the graphics tab, just scroll down until you find this type of element. It's a line art kind of an element. Change its color and I'll just flip it horizontally, enlarge it a little bit, and as you can see it's a very light element. So what I'll do is just press Ctrl D to duplicate. So I'll duplicate it twice and put these elements on top of each other. Select these all elements and press Ctrl G to group them. Now I'll add some text over here on the arrow. And our first two slides are ready, and this is how our transition looks from first slide to second slide. Okay, so I'll quickly design my other content slides, but stay tuned because after this I'm going to share with you another tip that will come in handy when you design such carousels. And this is how our slides look like. Now what I'll do is I'll add some transitions, some small transition effects. Just search for pointing finger. Now the concept I have been thinking is, on the slide if you see, I'm asking a particular question and then I will point a finger towards the solution. So just scroll down until you find an element like this. Yeah, just click on it and we'll position it towards the solution. Rotate it a little bit. Now if you observe carefully, we don't have sliders over this element. So what we'll do is we'll change its color, and I'll just cut this element from here. Just press Ctrl X to cut the element and take a fresh page, a blank page. I'll just remove the background, paste that element, Ctrl V to paste, bring it in the center and middle, keep pressing Alt and enlarge it. Then download this page with a transparent background. Now just upload this image over here, and then I'll just delete this page. Now let's use this particular image, and as you can see, we have got our sliders, so we can easily use this element. Just position it and Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, crop it, position to left, and here you go. You have a transition effect ready with this pointing finger. Now I'll search for another element, staring eyes. Now whatever I'm using here is relevant to my content, so always make sure to use photos or elements in your design that is relevant to what the message you want to convey through your design, right? Now I've used half of the element for the first slide, then I'm just copy pasting it over here, positioning it on the left, and then use the other half for this slide. Okay, so this is how our slides look. Okay, so once we have our slides downloaded and ready, we'll add our post from here. Select the first slide of your carousel from here. Now because our slides are not in a square format, click on this icon on the left, then select multiple. Then make sure you select slides in a proper order, and once you're done, hit next. You can select any filter effects you like from here. I don't need that. Once you come to this page, okay, so from here you can view your carousel and check if the carousel has come in a proper order and if it is looking fine. So once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can then post it to your Instagram. So yeah, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. It really motivates me to work even harder. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.